Good morning, the second day in Isle of Wight, and we are heading to the west and we are taking a bus. As I told you in the previous video, we bought the 24-hour ticket for a bus to go around the Isle of Wight only for £10, and we are going to get the bus. We don't have time. Now I want to show you on a map where we are and where we are going. This is a great map. We are right down here and we want to go to the west. Here, exactly here, and you see the number 7. If we take the bus number 7, it goes here. We arrived, but actually there are a few attractions, but we are going to ignore all of them and going and take a coastal train, and we are going to hike actually. Do not venture from the path. This kind of sign you see it only in the UK. But come on, this path is so safe. That one is Leamington in the mainland of England, because Leamington is so close to the Isle of Wight. Morning. Morning. What's up? Actually here we can see that. Since the sun left, we should leave, and we are leaving. Actually, we are going to catch a bus before the ice cream. What do you think about ice cream? I like ice cream. If we got the ice cream, we would have missed the bus. No ice cream for now. We are heading back to Newport. It's really, really hot. We're back in Newport, and right now we are going to eat. This time was the first time that we visited Isle of Wight. It was great to go around, and actually we covered different sides of the island by bus. But next time if I wanna come here, definitely I will come by car or by bike, because you have more freedom to go around. It's a quite big island, and if you wanna get a bus, you should watch out about the timetable, because they are not very frequent. Every 30 minutes you can get a bus, but if you are with a car, you will have more freedom. For example, I was on a bus and I saw quite a lot of cute restaurants. They were in the nature, but because we were on a bus, we didn't have this option. And that's why I recommend you, if you come and you want to go around the island, yes, definitely come by a car. You can go everywhere, and you might be able to go some places that are not really touristy. It was a great experience. I hope that to come back here one day. And cheers to the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.